Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. In this video tutorial you will see how to crochet flower with 3D petals. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. Make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be a round of single crochet stitches. For this, make a chain, insert the hook into the ring, make 12 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once I have done 12 single crochet stitches, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn over the hook, and insert the hook into the stitch, make double crochet. Then chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. Make a cluster made of 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and pull through. Chain of 3, yarn over the hook, and double crochet twice, or make a cluster made of 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and pull through. Chain of 3, and make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, and pull through. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I'm about to complete this round. Now I show you how to complete this round. Once I have done 3 chain space, insert the hook into the double crochet, make a slip stitch. Let's crochet round 3. For this, make some slip stitches. First one, and make the second one into the chain space. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn instead of first double crochet. Then chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook, make double crochet. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook, and double crochet into the chain space. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and double crochet into the chain space. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round with me. I'm about to complete round 3. After the last chain space, I insert the hook into the third chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. My round is ready. Let's crochet the last round. It is going to be a round of petals. I'm making my petals in 3D style. Chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull up the working loop. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the double crochet. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain, pull it. Then chain of 2. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make 6 double crochet with picot. I will stop after the first stitch 1 and picot, chain of 3. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the double crochet. Make a slip stitch. My first double crochet is ready. So next time I will work with these stitches only with double crochet stitches. Here they are. So this is the next one. In this case, I will insert the hook into the chain stitch. I continue working. I'm done the first stitch, 2 and picot, 3 and picot, the fourth one and picot, 5 and picot, and 6 and picot. Yarn over the hook and work around the chains. Then I will work with double crochet stitches. Work around the chains. Make 5 double crochet. I will make them without picots. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Well done. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. My first petal is ready. Let's repeat my petal. Let's crochet the second one. Chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull up the working loop. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the chain. Take the working loop, pull it through and pull it. Make a chain. Chain of 2. Yarn over the hook. And make double crochet stitches with picot. Let's count 1. I need to crochet 6 stitches with picot. Chain of 3. Two, 3, 4 and picot, 5 and picot, 6 and picot. Yarn over the hook and work with the double crochet. Make 5 double crochet around the double crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch. My second petal is ready. Here how it looks. It is very simple and beautiful at the same time. Let's repeat my petal. It is going to be the third one. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the double crochet, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain and pull it. Chain of 2, make double crochet 1 and picot. In total it should be 6 of them, 2 and so on. Then you should crochet by yourself. I'm done 2 of them. You should crochet 4 more and continue. Keep working this way till the end of this round. And now I will show you how to finish my flower. In this case, I need to do 1 more petal to finish my flower. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch. Then chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, chain of 2, yarn over the hook, make double crochet with picot. In total it should be 6 of them. Then you should continue working by yourself. Then you should work with stitch and so on, as I did here. I'm done 6 double crochet with picot. Make double crochet without picot. Make 5 double crochet stitches. Make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then turn the work. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Insert the hook and make a slip stitch. To secure the yarn by making a chain, and as you can see I already cut off my yarn. And insert the hook from the back, take the working yarn, pull it through like this. And I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work. I straight up my petals. Let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. It consists of only basic stitches such as double crochet, picots, chains and slip stitches. So you don't need special skills, you just need to know how to work with simple stitches. This is my own pattern that I created recently for you. In first case, I used 1 color of yarn, and in the second example, as you can see, I used 2 colors of yarn. In your case, it could be variegated yarn or wool yarn. It depends on your project. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. All information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. This flower could be perfect like a part of big projects such Irish or Guipure laces, or it could be like a separate motif. Thank you so much for watching and see you in next video tutorials.